I mean, obviously building or designing a new home is a little bit easier of a process. It's a clean slate. When you're doing a remodel or an addition, it can be a little bit more tricky because people see the HGTV shows and they think they can just take out any wall they want, and they can blow out the exterior walls, interior walls. In reality, those are designed as bearing walls and shear walls. So when you go to take those out, you have to replace them with moment connections, beams, foundations that have to go down. So it becomes a little bit more tricky and a little bit more costly. You can't just, take out whatever you want without consideration for those elements. So yeah, definitely a little bit harder with existing buildings.
The whole process of planning the project and it being half complete, that's the portion our homeowners don't see. We are working from day one, really. The first day we meet them on site for our free consultation to find out what they're looking for. It may be as simple as they want to open up a wall between kitchen and dining room, but we're already looking at what needs to be done to support that living space that's above that wall that we're taking out. So do we need to put a beam in, or is it non-bearing? So the planning really, again, starts from day one, but rolls through into the design process, making recommendations to make sure we don't over-design, that we're going to stick to the homeowner's budget or that we can meet their budget, making recommendations on materials to get what they're looking for. Once we get to the point of a contract, we have a turnover meeting internally to turn that project over to our project managers, where they're going to break that project down into scope of work, order materials, put purchase orders out to our trade partners, and build a schedule of what we're going to do, what sequence, how we're going to start, when we're going to finish. So really, by the time we get out to the job site and first day of demo, our work is half done. All we have left is really the execution of the plan that we set in place throughout that entire process.